Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world today. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about badcreditloans.com. You may have heard of them, you may have not. It's a fantastic resource for people looking to overcome financial challenges due to poor credit scores. If that sounds like you, please keep watching. But before we dive into today's topic, I want to let you know that I've also written a detailed blog post on this subject for badcreditloans.com. You can find the link in the description below. I know it's on my website, so please check that out when you get time. I'll appreciate it. Now, I understand bad credit can be very daunting, a very daunting issue. I've been there myself. I once struggled with poor credit, but what I did, I took out a loan to consolidate my debts because, I was paying everybody. I mean, I had so many payments going out. It just made sense for me and my family at that time to consolidate those into one payment and save some money so I can kind of do the debt snowball thing, to pay down other things. So that improved my financial situation tremendously. And it's also important to consider your options carefully and only move forward when it makes sense for you and your family. Please, look at it, run the numbers, see if it makes sense, only do it if it makes sense. So with that said, let's get into today's topic and discuss how you can overcome bad credit and achieve your financial success. So if you like this content, please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, only if you want to get notified when I release new content. I appreciate it. So the problem with bad credit, having bad credit score can make it difficult for you to secure loans, consolidate debt, or even have access to emergency funds when you need them. Fortunately, Bad Credit Loans is here to help you find a solution tailored to your unique financial circumstances. All right. So how does it work? Lots of what people always say. So badcreditloans.com is an online service that connects borrowers with a network of lenders offering loans for people with less than perfect credit scores. All you need to do is fill out a simple form, and the platform will match you with suitable lenders based on your needs and your credit situation. Right? So what are some of the benefits? All right, so it's a simple application process. Right? You have access to a vast network of lenders. Right? There's no obligation or fees for using the service. It's confidential and secure platform. Educational resources to improve our financial knowledge is up there. And so there's some success stories I found. So many people have already used badcreditloans.com to secure loans and improve their financial situation. So there's one from Terry. It says, "I'm so happy I got a loan, even though I have bad credit. I've been trying to get a loan everywhere, but everyone online is such scammers. This was a safe site to use, though. I read great reviews, and I am so happy I made the decision to go with them, because I got money same day and no hassle or scam artists. Really great. Def use these guys if you had bad credit and can't get a loan anywhere else. These guys will really help you in an emergency." Thank you, Terry. Fabian, he says, "I am very satisfied with the experience with the Bad Credit Loan site. I was confident it was a safe place to put my information, and I was able to get approved for a loan right away. Everything was simple and explained on the website." Thank you. And then Laura, "Fast and easy instructions, user-friendly form, the site is secure, and I felt great knowing that can help other with all credit types." Thank you. So, those are good reviews. Now, you're probably going to find some bad reviews as well, but please look into it. Make your own decision there. So, like I said, if you're struggling with bad credit, it's a bad credit score, and you need financial assistance, don't wait any longer. Right? Visit badcreditloans.com. I have the, now to explore your options and take control of your financial future. I have a link below in the description if you want to get started today. So, thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable financial tips and resources. So if you have any questions or comments about badcreditloans.com, please feel free to reach out to me in the comment section below. So this is Anthony Doty signing off. Please secure your future with me. Remember, the key to financial success is taking action. Oh, and before I forget, I am giving away a free financial planner, right? So see the link in the description below to get yours today. And good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.